Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video. Before I go into the trading ideas, I like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'm going to do is another contest for the next weekly trading ideas video. The only thing you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about the contest. Let's now check out the charts. The first chart that I like to talk about is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc chart. It is a 30-minute time frame, and I wanted to show you a volume accumulation setup here. This is one of my favorite volume profile setups, and what you want to see here is a rotation followed by a strong trend. This strong trend in here is telling us that aggressive sellers were pushing the price downwards, and those sellers, if you use volume profile like this, were building up their short positions in here. This is the heavy volumes you see with the volume profile, right? So those are the heavy volumes of the strong sellers who initiated this strong selling activity, and those sellers are likely to defend this heavy volume zone, this place where they placed a lot of their shorts. So this should work as a strong resistance. It is at 0.7308, and when the price gets there, when there's a pullback, then there should be a reaction, as the sellers from this place should become active, defend this important area where they placed a lot of their shorts, and try and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so this is why this should work as a resistance. Now let me switch over to another trading idea, and the next one is on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and in here I want to show you a trend setup. This is a setup which you trade when there's a trend, and when there's a trend you want to see significant volume zones within the trend. So what I want to talk about here is this significant volume cluster which got formed within the trend, and because there were sellers pushing the price downwards, I think that this heavy volume cluster represents a place where those sellers were adding to their short positions, right? So price went downwards, pushed through this former support. This worked as a support, right? So the price pushed through that former support, sellers pushed through. By the way, that support then turned into a resistance, because when strong support is breached, it becomes a resistance. So they pushed through with all those volumes, and then they continued pushing the price downwards. So this is an important zone because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and also because they pushed through a strong support. So when there's a pullback to this area, heavy volume zone beginning at 108.19, then I think there'll be a reaction of the sellers from here. All right, so what we have here is a trend setup, which is a volume based setup, and also price action setup, which tells us that former support becomes a resistance, right? And for those reasons, for those two reasons, I think that the price will react there, right? Very similarly, as for example in here, there was also a significant volume cluster. Those volumes got accumulated in here, right? And there was this reaction to it, right? To this volume cluster. This one is already tested because there already been a reaction, so I won't be trading this one. It's tested, but this one isn't tested, so this one is still good to trade, right? So that's the trend setup on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. The next pair I like to talk about is the Euro Australian dollar. So what I have in here is a volume accumulation setup. Let me show you like this. This is significant volume zone created within this rotation. By the way, you are looking at 30-minute chart, right? So this is a rotation with heavy volumes from which strong trend started. This is telling us that strong buyers were building up their long positions in here, and then they pushed the price upwards. Now, those strong buyers from this place are likely to defend this place, as it is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their longs there. So this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. It is at 1.4762, and when there is a pullback, then I expect a reaction from this level, because those buyers will want to defend this important zone where they placed a lot of their longs, right? Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is clicking this button, which says Trading Course and Tools. So let me click that. It will take you to this page. So scroll down a bit. And what I recommend getting is the Elite Pack. It's a recommended training pack where I'll teach you how to trade with volume profile in a video course. That's a 15-hour long video course. I'll also provide you with my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels and swing trading levels. You will also get volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators that I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform and also for MetaTrader platform. And you will also get a couple of bonuses. Now in here, there's a video which you can watch that will show you in detail what exactly are you going to get with the Elite Pack, right? So that's the recommended training pack if you want to learn how to trade with volume profile. And one more thing before I wrap this video up, what I'd like you to check out is the investing course in here. You click this button, and in here there's a video that will show you everything that's included in the stock investing course. Now, this is a brand new course, and because I've just released a book which covers the same topic as this course, I decided to offer you a discount on this course. So if you scroll down a bit, you can now get this stock investing course for $397 instead of $799. Right? This is just a time limited offer as a little celebration of the new book coming out. So if you are interested in investing, and I think that you really should be interested in investing given all those things that are happening around us right now, then I think that this is really your next best step. All right, so that's the stock investing pack and also the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.